Alrighty guys, I must say it's a little bit windy, so I hope you'll be able to hear what I'm saying. This here is my 7-inch perfect cinematic high-speed quadcopter. I just built it. I did a series in which I show you how to solder up a 4-in-1 ESC. I did a review of these motors from iFlight, of the frame from Caddx Machine Works, and so ordinarily I always do a little bit of a hover test on my driveway. I don't want to charge up a Lipo and then find out that the quadcopter doesn't fly for any reason. Right, so short hover test. This is generally the first time I'm powering it up with propellers on, so always a little bit scary, especially with a big 7-inch quadcopter. But let's find out if the quad flies. Got the radio on, Tango 2 radio, so Crossfire, and let's hook up a Lipo. Chickadee. Acro mode. I'm gonna stand well back. Again, scary quadcopter. Okay, here we go. Our motors. The motors all spin up. Here we go. Let's try a lift off. Yes. We have lift off of the 7-inch Caddx Machine Works Vanguard with Rush FPV stack, iFlight motors and a Vista setup, and it flies. Okay, this is in no way a review, obviously, not really a flight, but now I know that it flies. I'm gonna charge up, well, maybe wait for a little bit better circumstances. The weather is abysmal. Yeah, but I'm obviously happy that it actually flies. Cool. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.